Hello and dear learners, welcome to this tutorial to present a basic use of WizIQ, which is an online tool for virtual lectures and courses. Let's see the learning outcomes. At the end of this tutorial, the learner will be able to go to the homepage of WizIQ and sign up or log in as per the demand, as per the requirement. Schedule a virtual live class lecture in WizIQ. Share the link and send some invitation to people to join and attend the virtual class session. So let us see what is actually WizIQ. It's a revolutionary online free tool. It permits the users to create cloud-based platform on the portal of education to access teaching and training modules through smartphones and laptops. It basically permits the users to host virtual class, the courses including the recording capability. So what are we waiting for? Let's go and explore the WizIQ. So the step number one is you need to go to Google and you need to type WizIQ. Now there are different options. You go to the WizIQ homepage and you can sign up and you can create an account. Now here I'm going with a different route because I'm already a member of one WizIQ or portal system, which is this. You can see on the screen, it is integrating technology for active lifelong learning. Since I'm already a member of this, so I can schedule using this portal. Thanks a lot for giving this provision. So if you are a first time user and if you do not have an access, if you're not a member, you need to join a course, you need to gain the permission to become a member. Once you have access, then if you're a first time user, you need to sign up. You can see there is a symbol here at the top right hand side. You need to sign up. It is just a simple sign up procedure by giving your Gmail credentials or your login ID and simple details, which is one very important provision. And the second thing is, if you have already created an account and if you're a member, then you will go to login. Since I am a member, I will click on login. Once I click on login, the system will ask me for my basic details. So once you go to the home page, you can see you have two options. Either you sign up if you're for the first time using it. If you have an account, just log in. So I will enter my credentials, my details. And once I enter, I will click on login. So that's it. So this was the procedure to sign up and log in. We will come back to this, what has come up on the screen. Let us go and start. The moment you come into your domain, you have to go to the top left three lines. You can see at the top left three lines, click on that. Once you click on that, you will see what is your access or what is your status. You need to go right at the bottom, click on this drop down and check who are you currently. Are you a learner or you are an instructor? Right now, I am an instructor. Here from this, once my session is over, I can log out. Here I have my profile. I can create my profile, fill up my details and change as per the requirement. This session is to plan a live lecture, online virtual lecture, live class. So you need to click on live class. Now once I click on live class, I can see two because these are already scheduled. You can see my one of the live virtual lecture is scheduled for 2nd of May, which starts in 4 days, and one of my sessions starts today, starts in 4 hours. These all I have created today. Today the date is 28th of April 2020. So one of my session live virtual class will start at 9 p.m. today as per the timing from this country. Basically, I am currently situated in Mumbai. So now this is as per my calendar and my this Indian Standard Time. It is 9 p.m. scheduled for today, and this virtual lecture session is scheduled for 2nd May. So this is something which I am showing you, which is already scheduled. Now we will see how to schedule, how to start creating it. So if you want to schedule and plan for a virtual lecture class, all you have to do is go at the top right hand bottom and you can see a circle, a symbol, and now you need to click on here. Can you see at the top right hand bottom here, this symbol, and here you can see create a class. Once I click on create a class, I will be taken to this page. Look here. Now this is my page. I will type as, I need to give a title. So let me give the title MSc Semester 2 Course 3 Module 1. I'll just make it big for you. Okay, so MSc Semester 2 Course 3 Module 1 Enzymology. So you can have maximum 70 characters there. Here you can give a description, revision session. It depends upon you how you want to schedule it. Once I go, now the system is asking me a date. When do I want it? When do I want to schedule it? So let me schedule it for 2nd of May, and I need to give the timing. So 10 for this much time, 10 a.m. So now it is as per my Indian Standard Time. I can change depending on the requirement. Then once I go down, I can give a small description about my class. Let me keep it simple. Revision session on binding energy. Okay, so revision session on binding energy. So then it is asking me who can attend, to all visitors and registered users or only to the users you enroll. Let me keep it all to all visitors. Then it is asking me whether I want to keep as a free class or a paid class. Right now I will click on free class. Then the system is asking me, do you want to record this class? Yes, I want to record this class. Then if you want, you can upload a picture as per your requirement. If you have to upload from your desktop, then it is asking me, allow the attendees to enter class or without sign up. Okay, I can give the liberty, yes. And once I'm done with this, then you can see there is an option at the bottom, schedule and continue. So once I click on this, schedule and continue. So now you can see my class is getting created. Okay, that's it. So I got this message. You can see this MSc Semester 2 Course 3 Module 1 Enzymology has been created successfully, and please refresh the classes. Okay, but this is my class. How do I go back? I want to go to my home page and check. So here you can see there is a symbol to escape. Once I click on that, okay, that's it. So now you can see, let me refresh. That's it. You can see MSc Semester 2 Course 3. So now this class is scheduled at 10 o'clock, 2nd of May. And now I want to view my class. Now once I click on view my class, I can check. And these are the details. These are showing my details, 60 minutes. Date is 2nd of May, 10 a.m. Now since I have not yet given this invitation and not yet shared, it is showing as 0 because I have not yet launched it. And my language is English. Once I click on launch, my class will start. Now the next part is, okay, my class is created, but here I have not yet shared with my students. How do I invite? How do I send the invitation? So for this, you can see there is an option. You can see at the top right, share. Can you see here? You need to go on share. Once you click on share, you get a link. Just copy this link. Okay, this is copied. And now you can share this link via email, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Google, WhatsApp group, learning management system, Moodle, wherever you want. So this is the way to schedule a class and to share your class link with the learners so that they can click on that link and they can join your class. So dear learners, I believe this session was very, very helpful to schedule a live virtual online class and meeting on WizIQ. Remember, we are learners, we are teachers, and this has to be a lifelong learning procedure. Thank you so much for being listening to me. Remember, change is mandatory, survival is optional. We need to change and constantly update. Thank you so much.